Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to download and install package on Ubuntu Linux. On Ubuntu Linux distribution, you can use the command line utility apt-get to manage packages. Behind the scenes, apt-get make use of the package manager dpkg. To download a package, you can run the command apt-get download followed by the package name. Let's see how to do it. So I'm login as a root user. I'm going to change to the directory temp by using command cd forward slash tmp. And now I'm inside this temp folder and I'm going to download a package C metrics. I can use this command apt dash get download C metrics and just hit enter. It downloaded a package for us and we can list the directory by using ls command, and over here we can see the C metrics package and you can see the extension is .deb. This .deb extension in the package name which signals that it is a Debian package. On a Red Hat distribution, package names end with the .rpm extension. We can also list the files inside our cmetrics package by running the command dpkg with -c and followed by the name of our package. So this will be, I will just copy the name of our package from here and clear the screen. We can type dpkg-c and the package name. I will just paste it and hit enter, and you can see the file inside our package. And I'm just gonna clear the screen. We have only downloaded the package, but we didn't install it yet. We need to install it using the -i option with the dpkg command to install a download package. So if I already have copy that name, then I can use dpkg-i and the package name. And hit enter. And I need to add sudo to it. And I will just use this command again and add sudo for the super user privilege and the password on my system. And it started to unpack. So that's it. Now we can type the program name cmetrics. First I will just clear the screen and now I'm going to type cmetrics and hit enter, and the program is started. You can see the metrics running on our terminal. So this way you can download a package and install on Ubuntu Linux. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.